first of all, to be able to reject a referral, people should see it like this. A referral, we are not inclined to decline immediately. We are inclined to approve it immediately. So when we decline it, it's because there are certain questions about the way the referral has been provided. And GPs here on the island has been giving us the sign that they encounter certain challenges in this process. And yesterday we had a very good meeting in which it became clear for us what it is that they need or what it is that we need in order to prevent this specific situation that you are describing. So in the process of medical referral, one of the steps that is so important is the way that the referral has been submitted. And I have to be honest that the reason why it has been a problem is because the way we communicated with each other. We didn't know exactly what they want, what we want. It was not explained, and because of that we couldn't find each other. Why? Because when we receive a referral, we check two things. Is this care that they want in Colombia? Is it something that they can get it, what we call doelmatig? That is one. If it's the answer is yes, then it's a pro. And the second one is we ask, but is this according to the regeling aansprakelijkheid zorgverzekering, the RASBES as we call it? Is it something that we can get it closer to home? If the answer is yes, then we will communicate that it should be closer to home because we have preferred hospitals where we send people. That is also one of the things why sometimes we can react by saying no, not to Colombia, but for example to St. Martin or Curacao or whatever. And that is the challenge that we have right now, to be able to sit together with the GPs and come with a good solution how to prevent this from being not clear to the insured persons and sometimes being how you say that, wrongfully